We take this as an acceptable direct onslaught on the judge's office, an undisguised threat and intimidation to the judge as a consequence of his discharge of judicial duty. We see it as an onslaught on both the Constitution and the rule of law. It is an assault. We therefore demand of the National Police Service Commission, pursuant to provisions of Article 146(3) of the Constitution, the immediate reinstatement of the judge's driver and security. We demand of the Inspector General, as the ultimate duty bearer, the immediate and unequivocal apology, together with an assurance that such will not be repeated under his watch and tenure. We have copied this statement to the Independent Police Oversight Authority as a complaint against Inspector Riri. On behalf of the judges of the Superior Courts of Kenya, we reaffirm that our duty and obligation to the nation and its citizens to impartially do justice in accordance with the Constitution without favor, fear, bias, affection, ill will, prejudice, or any political influence remain even more resolute and unwavered. We take this as an acceptable direct onslaught on the judge's office, an undisguised threat and intimidation to the judge as a consequence of his discharge of judicial duty. We see it as an onslaught on both the Constitution and the rule of law. It is an assault on the office of all judges in Kenya and the institution they serve. We see Inspector Riri as the face and instrument of this violation and the only disclosed offender, and now issue a notice that we shall take all legal measures, including moving the court to declare him unfit to hold a public office. We remind Inspector Riri that he, the officers he has withdrawn, and all his superiors, including the Inspector General, like all public and state officers, work for Kenyans and merely execute a delegated mandate from the people.